Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Tampa, Florida. We're here for roof cleaning. We're gonna be doing for this customer. Roof is a shingle roof, pretty dirty. It's been a while, and the HOA has been on them about getting it clean. I got two people with me today training, Nelson and Manny. They're already on the roof right now. Basically gonna teach them how to soft wash roofs. Nelson is from Riverview, Florida, which is about 45 minutes south of Tampa, and Manny is from Orlando area, which is about an hour and a half away. So this customer here is a returning customer. Last time I was here, I did the driveway for him about 6 months ago. So 2 days ago, she called me and told me about this roof situation. So we're out here to clean her up today. We're gonna be using the 5% mix of a SH and water and with some surfactant. This is a steep roof, so we're gonna be using, we're gonna turn the surfactant up a little bit on the proportioner to make sure we make it stick. The gutters don't lead to no plant life area. What else we got back here? We don't have to bag the gutters up, but we're gonna water down these plants that's behind me when we do the front, and they got some plants on the side of the house. So we're gonna go up on the roof and chat with Manny and Nelson. Let's go. All right, guys, we're on top of the roof. As I just told you guys, it's a pretty steep roof, especially in the front. This area right there. Roof is pretty dirty. Probably hasn't been cleaned in years. This is Nelson right here, training today. Got Manny right here. We ain't cleaned this up yet. That's just how it looks on this side. But we're gonna be hitting everything. So it's kind of steep. So we're gonna let the SH roll down on these right here. We're not gonna start from the bottom and have to walk up, just to minimize any issues. So we're gonna start on this back area here first. Spray that down. It's the most even area of the roof. Get these guys trained up on. So you wanna make sure you spray all the way up. You can spray this doesn't matter. Yeah. So make sure you spray that. So do a nice little section, go a little wider. So you can do it in three sections. So we just got done doing about 3/3 of this back area. Put on the fan before you start. I did the first little area, Manny did the second area, and Nelson's gonna do the third little area back there. We know this is dirty still. We're gonna come back and apply another mix. It could be the shingles that look like that, but we're gonna apply another mix because down there looks good. This dark area gotta go. You gotta make sure you lock it before you start spraying, so you don't shoot the tip out of the gun. No, in the quick connect. Yeah, I've done that before too. To the edge. Let it run down. When you get to the edge, you see how your nozzle is laying flat. Turn your nozzle so it's going like that, so you can hit the edges. And just spray it enough, just let it roll down. It's gonna roll right along. Alright guys, Manny knocked out this section of the roof. Remember earlier, this was not as bad as the other one, but you can see how lighter it is right now. We got a couple of spots we got hit again. We got a spot right there. We got a spot right here we got to hit again. Right here. And of course that beginning spot over there. Right now, Nelson is doing this side of the roof. We're just taking turns, get a feel for it. I just got done watering the plant, so that's why my water hose is up here, and I had to blow out the gutters for them. They had a lot of leaves in the gutters. Yeah, all these dark spots got to be hit again. And you ain't gotta go heavy on them. Lift your gun up and just put a layer on it. Yeah, squeeze the trigger all the way. And there you go. You got one spot down there, you see it?
Okay.
Just lift your gun up, let it fall right on it. Put a nice little coat on it. There it is. Yep. Right there. Good job. Alright guys, we're all done with the roof here. We're just touching up every little spot that we may have to hit again. This is the back side. The guys did a great job on this. As you guys seen, I didn't really do nothing. I let them do the work, get their hands-on experience so they can be comfortable. We got a spot we got to hit right here. Got a couple spots right there. Got one right here. But everything's looking great, man. Good? All right, come on this side. We got a couple spots we got to hit. And what we're doing right now, we're spraying from the back, moving to the ladder. We don't want to spray over there, you know what I'm saying, have it all wet and slick. We're going to spray on the way out. All right, guys, we're at the back of the house. The roof is done. We got soft wash, just some all the little nine foam. Got some algae at the bottom. You got to be careful with the screen because it's patched up and it's pretty old. It's pretty dirty too, man. We're gonna go with a 2% mix on this one here to get it cleaned up. I got Nelson watering all the plants that's outside the cage, because when we shoot through this cage, acid is gonna go through, overspray gonna hit the plant. So we're gonna hit up everything, even wet down the fence too. We got a lot of green, man, a lot of green over here. But we're gonna get it cleaned up. The patio itself is not too bad though. So I'll just soft wash the patio. Soft wash the patio, soft wash the screens. All right, see, I got Manny wetting down the fence, because when we spraying through the screen going this way, we don't want to get the mix on the fence, the wooden fence, especially with this fence here. It's got a lot of algae. It's gonna leave it spotty. We don't want that. We want to leave it the way we got it. Manny's in there right now doing the inside of the cage, putting the same mix on. Before we started, we wet down the grass. As you guys can tell, the grass is wet, so you don't have to worry about killing anything. Yeah, that's good enough on this. Yeah, make sure you get that. He already sprayed the fence down, so yeah. Make sure you get every angle. There you go. You can stand over here so you can spray that way. Alright guys, we're the second job for the day. Right now we're in Town and Country, Florida. We're gonna be doing this back patio, half a driveway. Perfect for the guys to learn. We're gonna blow all the debris off first. We're gonna hit it with a hot mix before we start cleaning it. We'll show you guys what we got going on. So this is the back area. Got a lot of growth in the crap. They have a kennel back here, so we're gonna disinfect that with some SH. I got Nelson blowing all that this way right now, just to get all that out of the way, all that dirt. Clean this chair up, got all that algae on there. This is what it looks like afterwards. It's turning right away too, you see it? It's getting white. All right, we all done. Had a little challenge with the water settling along the fence. Bad drainage, as you can tell, but I knew that was gonna happen. Kennels cleaned up, ready for the dogs to hang out. All right, man, we all done over here. My man right here, my man Manny. So, how did it go today, man?
All good, man. It was all good.
Got some soft washing done.
Yep.
We did roof, we did lanai. We just got done doing a patio drive on half a driveway. So got plenty of experience. He ready to kill it in Orlando.
That's right. That's right.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. My man, you're a veteran, right?
Yep. Orange County firefighter, Marine veteran.
Marine veteran,
yep.
Firefighter, man. That man came straight from work, straight from the station to come learn this. Hour and 30 minutes away. So I appreciate you coming out, man.
Appreciate it. Yeah, man.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
All right, I got Nelson with me.
Yes,
We did 3 jobs today, 3 different services. So how do you think it went?
Went great. Learned a lot, especially with the roof. It was a great job did and stuff, so I liked it.
All right, man. I appreciate y'all checking the video out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.